Hey guys, Alex Ryan here, and as you can see, I'm still down the docks here. I'm watching the unloading and loading of containers, other people's money, other people's profits, other people's products. And when you're getting started with an import business, maybe you're getting started with your own Amazon business, let me give you one tip of advice, right? This is one little bit of advice which I hope that someone shared with me when I was getting started. Don't import heavy items. Don't import stuff that actually requires these containers. Never get into that, because the reason why is it's darn expensive. As you can see down there, look at all the machinery involved. Look at all the people involved. They're all going to be paid wages. They're all going to be paid something. And as you can see down there, right, each container, you've got to rent the container, you've got to ship the container over, and all this requires cost. So when you're getting started, import stuff that requires like things to be flown over rather than using containers like boats like this. As you can see down there, you've got a massive boat, right? That requires shipping as well, right? So you want to do stuff that requires not that when you're first getting started, but things that you can fly over. So think small products, right? Things that don't require a lot of, that aren't heavy, that don't require a lot of shipping costs. They're things you can just fly over on a plane, maybe DHL or FedEx, right? But when you start getting into these containers, importing these big things, that's when you start making the big bucks. That's when you start actually making a lot of money, because a lot of these things, right? That's when you can start storing the big products, or the massive amounts of volume of products where you make the big margins. So guys, share this tip around. If you're looking to sort of get started importing from China, maybe start your own Amazon business, then like I said, if you're sort of new to this stuff, start small. Start small products, high margin products, right? High margin but small products, things that you can fly over, right? Not the big stuff like this that require ports, right? And if you're looking to get started, guys, check out my website. I've got a free video program showing you how to choose hot products, how to import them from China and launch your own Amazon business. And if you have someone, maybe a friend, a loved one, or a colleague who wants to start their own business, maybe work from home, maybe launch something online, maybe start their own Amazon business, please do share this video. Like I said, I am on a mission. I want to help 1,000 people get started with their own importing business. I really want to get them uprooted and started. And guys, please share the video. Please comment on the video below and share the love. And yeah, hopefully I'll talk to you real soon. Hopefully I'll be involved in some way teaching you how to get started, how to choose the right products to import and to sell on sites like Amazon, Shopify, eBay, and much more. You have yourself a fantastic day, guys. Hopefully I'll talk to you real soon. See you later.